In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on Hostinger. If you've decided that you no longer need your Hostinger account, the process is fairly straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct account, since account deletion is a permanent action in many cases and may affect access to your hosting services, settings, and stored information. It's always a good idea to review anything important in your account before moving forward. To get started, open your Hostinger account and log in through the official Hostinger website. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure everything is fully loaded so you can easily find the right menu options. The main dashboard is where you'll manage most of your account settings, and that's where this process begins. Next, look for your Profile section. This is usually found in the upper area of the screen, depending on the device you're using and the current layout of the website. Click on your profile to open the account-related menu. If you're on mobile, the menu may appear a little differently, but the profile option should still be easy to locate. After that, click on Account Information. This section contains the main details and settings connected to your Hostinger account. Once you open it, scroll through the page carefully and look toward the bottom. Some important options are placed lower down on the page, so don't worry if you don't see the deletion option right away. When you reach the bottom, click Delete Account. This is the option that starts the account removal process. In most cases, Hostinger may ask you to confirm your decision before the account is permanently deleted. Read any message on the screen carefully so you understand what will be removed and whether any active services, subscriptions, or remaining data will be affected. If a confirmation prompt appears, follow the instructions shown on screen to complete the process. Take your time here, because once the account is deleted, recovering it may not be possible. And that's all you need to do to delete your account on Hostinger. The key is to log in, open your profile, go to Account Information, and then use the Delete Account option at the bottom of the page. If this guide helped you, feel free to use it as a quick reference the next time you need to manage your account settings.